Here are all my fidget toys. Okay, so I don't know if I should go worst to best or best to worst, but I'm just gonna save the two best for last. So we're gonna start off with a bunch of squishies. I have this cake big squishy, that big. I have a sundae squishy, that big. I have a little donut squishy. That doesn't really squish. It's that big. So I have this one I like. For some reason, this one's okay. It's a little heart donut, that big. Like the size of my palm. That's all this squishy. Wait, there's one more. I actually have two of these little macaroons, that big. And so the next thing is a mini Rubik's Cube. It's little, and the mini ones are usually hard to move, but this one's really easy to move. So yeah. So the next thing is this thing. I'm sure you've seen this a lot. It's like a puzzle thing. You have to get the little marble into different maze sections. I don't know. It's pretty cool. It's kind of tiring. But I also do have two of these, the mini parts. So this is how it is folded. This is unfolded. You know, those where you could just like move them around and build something. I don't know how I just built that. But the next thing is the worst fidget toy ever. The peas. Squish them, they come out. It's just so weird. The edge ones I don't like. The middle one is pretty easy. Pop them out, there's a little face. They're also a keychain. Two of those, that's the best one. Okay. I have two of these finger roller thingies. You just roll them on your thumbs. I have a few more, but I can't find them. So yeah, a few of those. And I have four of these. I also have a blue one, so I'll grab one and they stretch like that. You make like cool little shapes with them, and you can connect them with each other, or you can connect one. It's really fun. Gotta get fast. Okay. Next up, I have a bunch of these things, like a bunch. So you want the marble thing? I don't really like these. Actually, I don't really like them, you know. And the next thing is this little puppet. I know that's not the best. Yeah. Pop. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Okay. I actually have two of these. These things are pretty popular. Now you just spin them around, it's like a snake thing. The next thing is this little stretch ball. It's really fun. It's the best. It's hard to squish, but I like it. I don't know what's inside. It's like a weird solid and liquid, mostly. Yeah, solid and liquid material inside. Oh, I just noticed that. My mini. But anyway, other than that, okay. I forgot one. These ones, these are pretty cool. I have two of these. Like, not a lot of people have these. They like, you move around them and they change like that for some reason. It's very confusing. Yep, can't figure it out. And I have a few of these little worm things. They feel slimy when you first get them, but you get super used to them. They're stretchy, really stretchy. Next thing is this thing, you know. Squish it. Anyway. We are on to the top three. I have this thing. It's not really a fidget, but it's cool, you know. It's a little one. Now this. We're down to the top two of the best. Hear that? Probably thinking, I already showed one earlier. It's a dinosaur one. It is absolutely huge. It's bigger than my head. really fun. Then the best fidget toy in the history of fidget toys, the Infinity Cube. The best fidget ever invented. It is insanely cool. But that's it. Subscribe.